Hello Rahul, how are you? Fine, good. Hello sir, hello ma'am. How's your day? Good. Good morning to all of you. I am Saurav Gamli and I am doing my post graduation from Vinod Bihari Mathur Koilanchal University. And I have a teaching experience of at least 2 years at Udan Academy. Okay. My motive is to teach student mathematics in just a simple way. So that everyone can relate that topic or concepts. Okay. Today I'll take a demolition on the most important chapter, exponents and power. Got it? So Rahul, can you tell me about that? What is exponential form? No? Good. Okay. Just listen about that. Can you think about a bigger number? Any number? Okay. Got it. Very good. 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Just think another number. Good. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. They're just written in a mathematical form. Okay. That is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh. Okay. We have just written in a mathematical form. That is 1 and the 6 zeros, 1 and the 5 zeros. It does not look like a bigger or a vast, that is written in a 1 and the 6 zeros. Can be also write in the form of a short way using simple mathematical tools. Can you think about that? Okay, got it. 1 lakh is nothing but a multiply of 10 by itself. Okay, just see that. 1 lakh can be written in that form also. That is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Got it? That is 10 multiplied by 5 times itself with respect to multiplication. Okay, that means 10 multiplied by itself 5 times. That is 10 repeat 5 times. 10 repeats 5 times. Okay, in this 10 lakh we have 10 multiplied by itself how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros, that is 10 multiplied by 6 times. We can also write in the form of that is 10 repeats 6 times. Note that Rahul, 1 lakh can be written in this form also, that is 1 and the 5 zeros. And we have to make it in a simple way or simple tool. That how can we make it in a simple way? The number which are repeated, that is 10 can be repeated with respect to multiplication. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Which number are repeated? 10. That is we write in the beginning starting with 10. Okay. And the repeated number which can be multiplied by itself by how many times? Just see that. 10 can be multiplied by itself by how many times? 5 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we write in the form of 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Okay. Rahul, tell me, in this case, which number are repeated? Good. 10. 10 is the repeated number. So we write at the beginning of with 10. And 10 is multiplied by how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 6 times. That is 10 to the power 6. Just see that number. It's look like such a bigger number. That is 1 and the 5 zeros 1 lakh. And it is such a short notation. That is 1 lakh can be also written in a simple way. That is 10 to the power 5. Okay. The simple way of this notation is known as exponential form. Exponential form. Got it, Rahul? exponential form. Exponential form is nothing but the simple notation of the bigger number is known as the exponential form. Okay, 10 to the power 6, it is also the exponential form. Exponential form. Got it, Rahul? Just listen. My motive of this demo is to show you that how the concepts can be solved as much easier. Okay. Now, in this chapter, the most important factor is what is base and power. Okay. You will know about the chapter that exponents and power. You will discuss about the exponential form. And now we will discuss about the what is the base and power. Okay. What is base and power? What is base and power? Rahul, do you already familiar with the words base and power? No? Okay, good. Listen. Base. What is base? Let's take an example. If we multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So Rahul, what is the repeated number we have? What? 2. Very good. So 2 is the repeated number and 2 repeats or 2 multiplied by itself by how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. That is 2 repeats how many times? Rahul, 8 times. 2 repeats 8 times. So how can we write down in a simplest way using exponential form? We have learned it earlier. That is, what is the repeated number? The repeated number is 2. 2 repeats many times. Okay. So the repeated number is 2. And how many times it multiplied by itself? 8 times. That is 2 to the power 8. So remember one thing. The number which are repeated. Okay. So the repeated number is known as base. Okay. The repeated number is known as base. And the repeated number is being multiplied by itself by how many times is known as the power. Is known as the power. That is, in this case, 8 is the power. So Rahul, you understand what do you mean by base and power? Base is nothing but a repeated number of the exponential form is known as base, and power is nothing but the repeated number is being multiplied by itself by how many times. How many times is known as the power. Okay. Let's take another example to clarify this. Example number 2. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Rahul, can you tell me that what is the repeated number in this example? Yeah, very good. The repeated number is 2 and 3 both, not only 2. Okay. 2 is also repeated and 3 is also repeated. So 2 and 3 are both repeated in this case. Okay. So how can we write in the exponential form? 2 repeats or 2 multiplied by itself by how many times? 3 times. Very good. That is, how can we write? 2 repeats 3 times. And what is the sign of this question? Multiply. Okay. And what is the repeated number again? 3. 3 being multiplied by itself by how many times? 4 times. That is, we know 3 to the power 4. This is the exponential form of this question. Okay. So I hope you will understand the meaning of exponential form. That what do you mean by exponential form and what do you mean by base and power. This video or this demo is nothing but the explanation of exponents and power, that how you think about that or how the concepts we made such clear or in a simplest way. Okay. So Rahul, do you understand? Okay, thank you. Thank you parents for joining us for this session. I will be highly grateful to you. Thank you. Thank you.